So I didn't brush for 7 days while on the carnivore diet. How did it affect my oral health? As a dentist, I have a theory that if you are on a ketogenic or a carnivore diet, there's a good chance you probably won't ever get a cavity, even if you're not brushing. I know that sounds extreme, but there is actually good historical data to support this theory. So there was a post I had done earlier last week about pre-19th century Inuit people who were predominantly carnivores. And they didn't have access to dental care or toothbrushes or fluoridated water. Yet the archaeological studies showed they never got decay. So I decided to put this theory to the test and use myself as a guinea pig in an experiment, and I wanted to see what would happen if, while on the carnivore diet, which I have been on now for several months, what would happen if I didn't brush my teeth and how it would affect my oral health. So after 7 days of not brushing, I then tested my oral microbiome. And here are the results. So as you can see here, I would say the results pretty much support my theory. So the bacteria that is responsible for cavities and periodontal disease, many of them were non-detectable. The others were at good levels. There was only one that was moderately high, but everything else was great. So let's be clear, I'm not saying if you're on a carnivore diet to just go throw your toothbrush away. Please continue to brush your teeth. I have since started brushing and flossing my teeth. My wife insisted. I don't know why. But, this does suggest that these types of diets are very beneficial to your oral health. And, we're starting to see now that oral health affects other parts of your body. So I find this to be a fascinating intersection between nutrition, microbiology, and oral health. So if you enjoyed the video, hit the follow, subscribe button, and if you have any questions or comments, drop those below as well. If you are on the carnivore diet, please continue to brush your teeth, okay? And thanks for watching. Bye.